Hi everybody, welcome to online class. Today's topics also modifiers. Pre-modifiers of adjective. As pre-modifiers of the adjective, what we can use. Today I will discuss about this one, and post-modifiers also I will discuss today. But before going to topics, I want to share one thing for you. This is also information for you that 3rd November our evaluation exam will be held. So you will get a syllabus or suggestion on in online class or Facebook page. So you have to collect this one, and you have to take preparation very well. I hope that you will participate in the exam, and you will not waste time. So take preparation well. Okay. Today I will discuss about pre-modifiers of adjective. Intensifiers. There are some adverbs that are used as intensifiers. There is an example. Before going to example, I want to say here that as intensifier we know that so, very, absolutely, this kind of word we can use. So now we follow the example. His behavior is absolutely awful. Here absolutely is intensifiers. So before the adjective we can use intensifiers also. Noun phrase. He is 40 years old. Here 40 years is noun phrase. So this kind of noun phrase also we can use before the adjective as modifiers. Now I will discuss about post modifiers of adjective. Infinitive phrase. We know infinitive phrase. So what is infinitive? Infinitive is 2 plus verb 1, and with this 2 plus verb 1, if we add other words, that one will be one phrase. You see the example. Karim is happy to come home. Here to come is infinitive, and with this we have added here home. So this one is infinitive phrase. Enough plus infinitive. He is adult enough to understand. To understand is infinitive, and enough is enough here. 2 plus adjective plus infinitive. He is too fat to move. Here 2 is according to rule, and fat is adjective, and infinitive is 2 plus move. Of phrase plus infinitive. He is very kind of you to help me. He is very kind of you to help me. So of you is a phrase, and to help is infinitive. Again I am telling you, if you can't understand, then if you follow the example, then it will be more clear to you. For phrase plus infinitive, the story is very easy for some students. Here for plus some students. So this one is for phrase, and to read is infinitive. The story is very easy for some students to read. Prepositional phrase. We know prepositional phrase how we can make with one preposition plus noun. That one also can be prepositional phrase. I have written here preposition plus article plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. But every word you have to write one preposition, one article, one adverb, one adjective, one noun. No, like this way you cannot make a prepositional phrase. Anyone you can take one preposition, one article plus noun. You can take one preposition, one adverb plus noun. But preposition and noun you have to take. And with this you can add article, any adverb, any adjective, and then it will be a prepositional phrase. On the table, on is here preposition, the is article, and table is noun. In a very calm manner. Okay, thank you everybody. I hope you have understand this class, you have enjoyed also. See you. Bye.